And Chair of the program, Muhammad Farooq Ahmed, Chairman, BCSIR.
Now, I request Dr. Mohammad Nazrul Islam Bhuiya, Senior Scientific Officer, BCSIR, to deliver his welcome address.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Honorable Guest of Honor, President of JDC, Honorable Chairman BCSIR, respected members of BCSIR, directors, scientists, journalists, print and electric media, dear colleges, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to extend to you all a very warm welcome on behalf of BCSIR and to say how grateful we are to JDC Corporation, Japan, who have accepted our invitation to convey two technologies, the twister technology and arsenic mitigation from drinking water here in Bangladesh. Today, BCSIR and JDC Corporation Japan signed MOU for further research and development as previously mentioned two technologies at BCSIR. We believe that these two technologies will play a vital role for mitigation of arsenic from drinking water and infrastructure development in Bangladesh. We are very much happy and grateful to JDC Corporation Japan for their kind cooperation and support. We also thank our Honorable Minister, Architect A.F.S. Osman, Ministry of Science and Technology, People's Republic of Bangladesh, for gave us consent for signing a MOU with JDC. We also extended thanks to our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Muhammad Farooq Ahmed sir, for support us, encourage us to expand new research areas in BCSIR through MOU with foreign countries like Japan. We, BCSIR, now play a vital role in R&D sectors in Bangladesh under the proper leadership and supervision of our chairman. This is the first time in the history of BCSIR we have the gracious presence of the President of the JDC Corporation, Mr. Takeo Asakura, and his team, to extend the gesture of patronage and encouragement to scientific professionals. While thanking him for this gracious gesture with due reverence and respect, I extend again a warm welcome on behalf of BCSIR. I am sure that this program will provide a good platform to exchange ideas, thus reaching an appropriate conclusion for defining the future growth of sustainable development of infrastructure in Bangladesh through twister technology for the development of roads and highway, embankments, runway, marine drive, etc., and role of arsenic-free drinking water in the health value chain via Japanese. It is become commonplace to say and repeat saying the scarcity of arsenic-free drinking water resources is the most severe constraint in Bangladesh. The extent and severity of arsenic groundwater contamination throughout Bangladesh and its detrimental effects on human health as well as known and demand long-term sustainable mitigation. It is an immense, complex and expensive task to bring tens of millions of arsenic exposed people under safe water coverage, but now it is possible through Japanese. So again, thanks JDC Corporation Japan for being support in our country. Let us BCSIR and JDC Corporation work together to utilize these two technologies for well-being of Bangladeshi people. I wish the program be successful and reach its goal as mentioned, and I wish all of you and guests enjoy this program. Thank you very much indeed. I once again welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Nazrul Islam Bhuiya, for your wonderful